So this is the headlight stalk located on the right side of the steering column, and like the one you have on the left for the wipers, you have one on the right for controlling the headlights and the various functions. The headlight stalk can also be used for indications. Now, if you raise the headlight stalk, it enables indication towards the left, and the indication automatically goes off when your steering comes back to its center position. Let me show you that. You have taken the left turn. There you go. Similarly, if you want to do a right turn, pull down the indicator. You have taken the right turn, and when you center the steering back, the indicator turns off. Now, the stalk can also be used for lane change purposes. So to show a lane change, what you need to do is give a slight nudge to the stalk. It flashed 3 times. Similarly, if you want to go to the right side, give it a slight nudge to the bottom, and the indicator flashed thrice. The number of indications can be changed from the cluster. Go to the menu, go to the lights, one touch turn indications. You have 3 options: 3 flashes, 5 flashes, and 7 flashes. Now, for the purpose of the video, let me change it to 5 flashes. Now, when I do the lane change indication towards turning to the right, there you go, 5 flashes. But it's best to just keep it towards 3 flashes. So 3 flashes with just a nudge. You don't have to completely show it down. So that is how lane change indications work.